Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check deposit status in eToro in 2026. And if you recently made a deposit and want to confirm whether it was successful, checking your deposit status in eToro is very easy. And in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to check your deposit status step by step. So let's start by following these few simple steps and instructions. We're going to start by the first one, which is to log into your eToro account. Now you're going to open the eToro app on your device or your website if you're using a computer like me, and make sure to go to the eToro.com website and log in using your account's credentials. Here you're going to enter your email and password and log in. And once you log in, you're going to be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, make sure your account is verified by clicking on Verify My Account here. And you're going to enter your name, your middle name, etc. information, and you're going to provide some legal documents to confirm the authenticity of your account. Once you do that, you're going to go to your portfolio or account history. And by clicking on your portfolio on your dashboard here, you're going to click Open Settings. Then you're going to select Account Statements or Transaction History. This section shows all the deposits, withdrawals, and trades. So you're going to look for your deposits and you can find your recent transactions and check the status. It may show you completed, as you can see here, failed processing, or failed. Once you're going to check it here, you can contact the support if needed. Now, if your deposit is pending for too long or failed, you can check your bank or payment provider or contact the eToro customer support. Now, checking your deposit status in eToro only takes a few clicks, and always review your transaction history to confirm your funds have been successfully added to your account. And this is it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.